I'm just going to show you really fast how to use my noise to create your own custom soundscape. So different people respond to different sorts of noises. I particularly love the sound of the ocean. So I'm going to find one. There we go. Let's go to Pebble Beach. So you'll see it gives you all of these different options right here. So this is my sub bass. Yeah, I like that. My low bass. Oh, I like more of that. Too loud there. Oh, too high. There we go. So once I find something that I actually like, I can play around with it. And then I go down to the current settings and I can save it in a URL. Loading, loading, loading. And then I go up here, grab that URL. And then when I open a new place and put it in, it's going to take a few seconds, but it will take me directly to that soundscape that I created. There you go. How cool is that? So spend a little time playing around with all the different ones, create a soundscape that works for you, and share it back to me.